a business.
Are you okay with that?
Oh, let's tell me count and be no. Wo over here about.
It is you.
I'm asking you that question.
No, it is you and another.
I'm up to you answer a question.
From a different station.
Thank you.
My ye sumina, bedatia, and then my ye, bedatia, and then my ye,
I'm a UTV phone tour. A human oye. I don't know. I try to be a per se. The qua another be offer when you know. Over the yoke man. Oh, qua. There's nothing wrong.
I am not impressing anybody. I am working for myself.
How do you feel when social media comes at you?
It's part of the job. Johnny, it's part. How about my blessings? When that blessings also, when they are coming, the ambassadorial deals, when they are coming. The same way. I feel good. Whoever is saying what about me, I leave that person to God. Because I know myself and I know I have worked my way through here. I didn't come here just for the sake of my beauty or maybe my smile. I have worked to make my smile impactful. I have been here because I worked. Oh, Johnny, I've worked.
Yeah.
I will not let anybody's opinion about every decision I take condemn my movement. I promise you, I am not worried one bit.
You are not.
I am. Hey, I am so happy for moving on.
Okay.
For the next level God is taking me. To be honest, something must happen behind for you to move forward. So as I am here, I have no regrets. I have not hated anybody, and I'm continuing building who I am.
Yo, this is your man Kobe Jumper. It's all about Power Extra TV, YouTube. Charlie, TV on be a any cheer. Ahomuka. It's the best when you want to see a dear friend. Best Ghana phone, you know, we share Power Extra TV on YouTube. Charlie, Power Extra TV. Olabao, peace.
Send a damanita say, near trending quan, you didn't send a bassa near the about some more. Despite media, and I'm a Brown. A seminal, I asked them. Ebaka and Ra, media general, a TV3, Unia TV, Unia FM, a Buja, a receiving, and I'm a Brown, and a FE to be part of their family. Now, I know despite you may for them. Kwame Nkrumah tikesi ni time so ya also oye ni show bo akuti anyom ni nyina ni nim say na nama na eko ema no ola nso hosting entertainment shows ho e kan emphatically say na nama are ungrateful na Akroboto ababo ntin say enye say no mo pe no yes into no obesha say they should cease fire because media work na say football who team A na team B ani ji ho na omoba na offer na team B e dey ba no e offer e juicy a obia no a obeka so onko obia beko ni say nana ma free despite media na okọ media general ye nyina na oman ba ko na yesom no fans ba ko na ye pese ye entertain no mo nti no obesere say omuntwa so na nana ya abrefo nso e dia beto so say ne Kwame Nkrumah tikesi eye no eye nkrasesem because no o baby and ofiri ho bad despite media ofiri ho no omo ana baby ana owo no omo e ba hye no they didn't nti no omo nya nana ma na o move on with his life with her life because eye ne da ache ana eye adwuma minimu nya adwuma be mini we be ye adwuma ntokwanim oh tiama nana ma so kwa ababo ntia be ka say ni obi api bia onka onfi obia nyame no dan no na they should remember say she was Nana Mama Brown before coming to Despite Media, though they gave her the platform to host that entertainment talk show, but hey, she was Nana Mama Brown before coming to Despite Media because sena oya ankara bi sabe ankara bi I saw terror bi a o tia bontin o tim fiche baby a anka Despite will never invite her to come and host that program they made her host the program because of her fame, to get them the viewers. Yanko, name kuti nana ya brefone nana mama brown nsem.
Baby a wo she bia wo kan news kura ya twra ma so kokan kura no a ubenya obi obenya ho asemaka se wakoka na sema na ni ande ho. Ana pena mitie mi nia ama o kire se Aisha one se aso o cassette ya na dodo ya won kabi ma no o cassette ya na dodo. Even a Chinese who doesn't live in Ghana are exploiting and sassy or the tipa ye dia bro man nyina edit tipa ye dia man panyifo wo man mu aye omo sebe jimi sebe me dia ka ho sebe ya man panyifo ni bia ye nkwaseafo sebe Aisha wa man panyifo ni bia ye otorofo aye nkwaseafo sebe ono kra no pese e beka no ho asema e de kire se ena se asem si wo baabi na wo ka se de ti na wo ka no le tore bia nipa na ti ana se de wan ti asem na se yie so obi kra ka wa bra wo le na ye interview kra be ya asem na bia som de ti aduma no nti ase a wan hwa wo ho so ena se ya bra bo nyina ne ne no ye bo nko aso de a ne no ne ye ya obi apampuntu no obi apenkanko obi apese okọ nanim mu aduma bi a oyim oto ade apese to ade pa na be yi oye sentro ni so apese oye ne se kofo behu na opagini betimi atu a okaye na ode aba obra because aduma we wan hwe ne ya untumi ntoka papa untumi mpeda papa nem untumi enye japade untumi fa wo ba nko school papa because ho akatua ne be mu ye ne ye na ni ba ho amanfo hu se aduma wo ye se nete a aduma efo kora hu etumi eye wo ye because they don't want to lose you enti sa wo de wani ase aduma we hu ahu ne sa atanfo beka ho adofo be wo mba atanfo beka ho se wo untumi atanfo se be aduma we mu a be men ho be bia edo be pie bia no you get people who wouldn't like what you're doing. It is part of the job we do. Because they be no be one sam na abeka. They be enu kwadwo so a. Kwadwo fu so we adwuma pa. Enya ba no so pe. Na wa tiesi so. No enya. Enti ya hye no so na ye hunu. Enti baby a wo ye adwuma bia no se akonwa no so ohia. Hunu se akonwa bia a wo so ete so e wo media mu no. Eso be hye e na so ohye na so anya hye na adwuma ne na wo ye. All dem say ye do betimi akokot wom ye betimi afro wo mpanyimfo anim panimu bi o Ghana betimi afro aka cho se na say ya tobo na say wano aye ya dodo. It is part of the job we do. You must understand. Na ye ho ye adwuma no na ye ne se de se ne fata no kure de o we ne ka den wo ka no kure na atamfo na wunya na so e se oto aso ka no kure na wo ye de se ne fata me be ka ba ko ne ba ko ameka ho asem ne roto e bu se wa tese de roto na sa baba na when an NTS roto the Sandia by Ministry of Finance Minister. Papa ya no an MPC body to Jaden den so abon in one way. Neso abon so abon but situation wom no baby odi adru na ano ayedene magana for brenti ono an nkrofo kra kasa da bi baby a wo de Ghana for adru na ye tina nchen ma obi so metro ayere. Why be there? He's done a lot of things, good positive things initially. But it is only when there's a shock that you know the things that somebody has done, whether it's good or not. Because they do baby na ye come people say ye pre ho ne age and na ye see my yepo na hwehwe animu a Minister of Roads minipa no madam for pa yera makwata madam for no me de maka from the one says I wrote on ye twa me hwehwe animu what the policy be by levy now so the be kwan na wo pese Ghana for betimi asom na pese de bibi dada omo a asa panimu o pese dada ne baketo no ja no hoko school o ja no ekọ adwuma bra akola na isu so ma ne ma me nkodo wa ma ne tofesa dididina me twa mo abasisi a wa o dada Ghana for sai ye twam ne de aba ba ekwa wa bra de 11 okra Ghana for nya nye ntumu eno ne ye ne a ne ye de roto ofufra ba ya san e de increase no. The old one you claim was making cause traffic. Now and said that we free one day didn't go anywhere, no parliament, just one afternoon. Ye chum obia sorry free one. Ne magana for be create Jumaye. Sabi or more edit them or makwa baby. And more Jumaye, Pamo in every or we catch them say Babo Maya, Yamo Meduman. And they are sank of far by the parliament, parliamentarians in to Naya San too. Ebusia. Yen sheni maybe the Mrs. Finance Minister so better nothing. A public forum. Ebe catch Ghana for the true situation of our economy. Yeah, the near media ground, yeah, the near media politics, because yet the true situation of our economy. Na Ghana for, ya canocrats like Ghana for say. Reckless borrowing because you won't say totally true, say reckless. I can understand where the president is coming from and saying they did not do any reckless borrowing now. Yeah, they are quite some ya. Womunya bosiabo. Mr. Munyan is Busian in now quite near the year, never. Bosiana, dear baby, Nini Nani, dear quine. And I saw by a quite baby in the better, who she say, ya. Nami didn't say, who be here, ni Pananas, and Pana, ni better, so I as I quite no man. Well, we know you're doing near Ahunting. What's the emitter? And you know, correct, said Busian in idea, quite. That is not true. And so he should come out to sit us down and tell us exactly our situation and why we need to do this rule too. We ain't too Trineka can I ain't too good parliament was a quabra who came no found oh person was sand back in the old parliament. Yen found Kohokeke. And say yen ye bet yaka Ghana for ness, I bet yaka a baby a jump. A mamoto way no she has traffic there. And this year near Sanko for traffic, Nasa baby, because you're baby. Mimi and TSA as a private person be a choir. Near man requirement as too. That is what was in the budget. But it looks like that's not what is going to happen because at the moment, I want China dogs to schedule ye pescadia ye juma. And not only that, they are bringing it back, they are increasing it. And to me, Miss Susu says, a finance minister Babon Tebeka Ghana for exactly where our situation is and how bad it is. Because look, even one more we said that exchange, you were for moon Jimbia, a band promise almost one for one for Dumwa. Ye do sika be ma no still now almost sanka almost certificate on be kwakodi om sika ye to asha that sent to asha that 13th month and so amaso enti say ye wa ho hia mu asika sem akoye hia sem enti you need to explain me why our politicians don't learn anything. They still keep doing what they do and behaving as if the power is theirs and they decide on what to do. Yeah, I can na. It is wrong. It is very wrong. It is not just by talking to the media keke. There should be a public forum and Ghana for be some questions so that we all together join and put things right. In this time they top it me then I'm my soil condition I'm trying my packet me then my face me petrol me to I so crowded to find them what my men do me do much here man here I am the baby and yet you find check oh let me see. Mama just me wa apsa back me te wine car be muntu betimi aba me wa apsa nanim ho baby
okay wine car is it a 22
Lexus
okay yeah all right
oh there me say let's come out and look Abai had goodwill. We shouldn't just use politics said because ya promise be chichachi and then I'm tell you from Joy kodunako e dey beto just say one district one factory no kran no e di agu bebre no a ye pay sika wa Exim Bank ma wo mo so mo fanya one district one factory no e di agu chese adwuma ni bo wa ya tum because sika ni ho because of our current situation ye ma bia kosoro enti wo de bosia san kran na wontumi e fa nyehwe yen ka no kran kire ho ne ye hwe ma ne ma ne na ne ma nkole mu e bo so ya me fa nkomo ne si why me nya me meeting bi I mean